Hey there, finance enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down investing basics to help you navigate the stock market with confidence. Today, we're diving into how to sell stocks on Robinhood, a must-know skill for anyone looking to manage their portfolio effectively. Whether you're cashing in on gains or cutting losses, Robinhood makes it straightforward, but let's walk through it step by step to ensure you do it right. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Robinhood app or website. If you're new, download the app and create an account. It's free and user-friendly. Once you're in, head over to your portfolio. This is where you'll see all your holdings. Scroll through or search for the stock you want to sell. For example, if you own shares of Apple, tap on it to open the details. Next, look for the Trade or Sell button. It's usually right there on the stocks page. Robinhood will prompt you to choose your order type. The most common is a market order, which sells your stock at the current market price instantly. If you want more control, go for a limit order to set a specific price. Enter the number of shares you want to sell. Remember, you can sell partial amounts if needed. Before you hit confirm, double-check everything. Review the estimated proceeds, any potential fees. Robinhood often has none for stocks, and make sure you're comfortable with the sale. Once you're ready, tap Submit or Place Order, and voila! Your stock is on its way to being sold. A quick tip: always consider the tax implications of selling stocks. You might owe capital gains tax, so it's smart to consult a financial advisor. Also, keep an eye on market volatility. Sell at the right time to maximize your returns. There you have it, folks, a simple guide to selling stocks on Robinhood. Now you're equipped to make informed decisions in the market. If this helped, give it a thumbs up. Drop a comment with your experiences, and don't forget to subscribe for more investing tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.